If Brigit stopped working immediately after an iPhone update, the problem is usually caused by the app needing an update of its own, a temporary compatibility issue, or corrupted app data created during the iOS upgrade. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest fixes to get Brigit working again, and when the problem is likely on Brigit's side instead of yours. Start by checking for a Brigit update in the App Store. Developers often release compatibility updates shortly after a new version of iOS becomes available. If an update is available, install it before trying anything else. If Brigit is already up to date, force close the app and reopen it. That reloads the app from scratch and can clear temporary issues caused by the operating system update. Next, restart your iPhone. A full reboot refreshes background services that financial apps rely on, including networking, authentication, and secure storage. Now confirm that your internet connection is stable. Switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data, or from cellular data to Wi-Fi, and open Brigit again. If the app loads on one connection but not the other, the issue is probably network-related, rather than app-related. If you're stuck on a loading screen or receiving unexpected errors, sign out of Brigit if you can, then sign back in. Creating a fresh login session often restores account syncing after a major iOS update. The next step is checking your iPhone's available storage. If your device is extremely low on free space, apps can fail to update data correctly or behave unpredictably. Free up some storage if needed, then reopen Brigit. If the issue continues, uninstall Brigit completely and reinstall it from the App Store. Reinstalling removes damaged app files that may have carried over during the iOS update while replacing them with a clean installation. If reinstalling doesn't help, check whether Brigit is experiencing a temporary service interruption. When the problem affects many users at the same time, waiting for Brigit to restore normal service is usually the only solution. If only specific features are failing, such as account syncing or cache advance requests, give the app some time to finish background syncing before trying again. To recap, update Brigit first, restart your iPhone, switch internet connections, sign in again, free up storage if necessary, reinstall the app, and check whether Brigit is experiencing a temporary outage before contacting support. If this video helped you get Brigit working again, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other Brigit troubleshooting guides for more quick fixes.